Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the bike frame bag from Lamicall. This is the BBC B01. Protect your belongings while cycling, they say. And this is 1.6 liter large storage capacity, operable with one hand, easy installation, sturdy and durable for use. And they say the same on the other side. So let's have a quick look, see what we get. So yeah, it is like a bag. So what you have here is like, this definitely will go, just below your handlebar. So imagine your handlebar just below the stand on your frame. And that's where you slide your phone. It works with phones as big as the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is an iPhone 14. As you can see, it still works. That's pretty cool, and it stays closed in there. Lamicall carbon fiber kind of look. Otherwise, this material, not sure. Well, that's when you close it, to stay in place. And I like this two hands operating. Some instructions if you need them. And otherwise, inside you have two side pockets as well with mesh, so you can add more stuff. And in the middle, your tools, wallet, whatever you want to carry with you. Even a small bottle of water will fit in there. So yeah, that's really nice to see. As you can see, also has one in here, so that will go, yeah, that will go in the front. And then on the sides, that will stay really secure in there. Oop, almost dropped it, but should be fine because it's protected. So hey guys, thank you for watching.